Why should users use platform? What do you think the biggest benefit for a platform user can be, and how can you convince them of trying out something new? Oftentimes it's also a new way of working, right? It's also a bit of a cultural shift because the responsibilities change. They might have to take more responsibility or less responsibility, which is something that can be rejected also by the users. Do you have maybe some recommendations to our listeners out there as well on how to convince users to try it out and also to be open to a new way of working?
To be honest, I think everything in a corporate environment is cost driven, first of all. Yeah, it's cost driven. In the end, the major goal is to make profit as a company. So when you walk backwards, from this, we have to make profit and we have to be cost driven, then in the end makes a lot of sense to have those platforms. And I think our work is not the platform itself only, but to make this cost driven aspect and the major goal of making profit aware, to everyone. And say, look,
it's a link to the business impact again, right?
It's a link to the business impact,
Yeah.
So it's not just because I wanted to use it or it's because my platform is amazing, but it because help us to get there, It's because to help us to get there in our core business. If it's, selling refrigerators or producing cars or making makeup, whatever business it is, there is a platform that makes us, work together in one framework to save money, to be cost efficient. And this is something that we have to tell people over and over and over again, because otherwise you can build the best platforms in the world. They don't see it. They just think, why should I do that?